Chad Fortune, driver of Soldier Fortune, driver for Monster Jam's FS1 Championship Series. It's very physical. You're jumping monster trucks, not a Cadillac. So you really feel every hit. Competition, and you're racing, whoever you may be racing, but it's really a race against yourself and the track. There's an opponent over there, but I try to focus him out and just be fast. I wouldn't be human if I didn't get nervous before a race. The music's playing, the trucks as they start up. It's a full experience of sound and touch and the rumbling of the crowd. Electricity fills the stadium. The truck is so responsive. 1,500 horses come with a snap of a finger, and you're in it. There's a lot of pressure out there. You got 70,000 people watching you try to keep yourself at a calm, but you can't help it because you feel like a superhero.